Hi, I'm Lauren Cupp, world record holder and speed golf world champion, which means I'm the fastest speed golfer in the world. The objective of speed golf is to complete a round quickly while maintaining a great score. It's all about speed and performance. That's the way it is with FIS Cheetah and Armordillo Splice-on connectors. With termination of less than 3 minutes, both Cheetah and Armordillo Splice-on connectors can be used on a variety of fusion splicers to get your network up and running quickly with optimal performance. When speed and performance count, FIS can provide you with the competitive edge. To purchase Cheetah and Armordillo Splice-on connectors, go to fiberinstrumentsales.com or contact your FIS representative at 1-800-500-0347.